make your ass. I'll make your ass drive fast, bitch. I'm gonna make you drive fast. You playing with the right motherfucker today. You playing with the right one today, bitch. Your monkey ass.
Oh, you're Jersey boy. Where are you going?
Nowhere. Oh my god.
What is that?
Oh my god. It's gonna cost an accident.
Oh, your brakes back on now.
That's sped up.
Travel from the rest of the country, BC and Alberta, each discouraging travel between the two provinces. No restrictions in Ontario or Quebec, while they remain in the eastern provinces. And about travel, by the way, the Rail now says it's making wearing a mask mandatory on all of the trains as of this Tuesday. They are other frontline workers during the pandemic. Canadian Armed Forces members to be paid a bonus because of the risk of exposure to COVID-19. Troops deployed to long-term care homes in Ontario and Quebec to be paid an extra $78 a day. British Columbia reported its first full week with no COVID-19 related deaths.
What a dummy. There's kids in the car and I'm pregnant. Don't do that. Stupid ass guy. Oh, that's where the Chuck E. Cheese is.
Yeah, nice one. I'm just wanting to get out of there.
UAI.com and click on careers. At United Auto Insurance, we've got you covered.
Grandpa. Oh my god.
Back with more B96 music in 1 minute.
What the fuck is his problem?
Fresh pizza, free delivery.
How are you spending your weekend? With friends and family? Or at the car dealership? Why lease a new car the old way? With Roto, lease your vehicle in 3 easy steps, all from our app. Shop real-time inventory and see the clear cost,
I got you. Are you at the one upstairs?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Watch out! Watch out! I'm trying to get the fuck out of the way. He's going crazy! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh shit! Oh my Lord! God damn! Hey! Hold on, Playboy! Hold on, Playboy! Whoa! Hey! Girl, go in the damn store! Go in the store, baby! He can't hit you in the store! Go in the store!
This guy is trying to kill us! Okay? Oh my God! He's trying to hit people with a car! Oh, he's gonna hit one. Y'all need to get the go! Get in the car! Brandon, get in my car! No, come on, get in the car! Look, if he hits that gas pump, it's gonna explode! Go! Y'all, come on! Go! Oh my God! Oh my God!
This for 20 years, but success doesn't happen in a vacuum. Thank you for helping me move this thing along. You helped me get this thing going in the early days by telling 20 of your closest friends about Tito's. They told 20 more, and it kept growing from there. We wouldn't be where we are today without your support. Thank you very much. Go to Tito'sVodka.com and pick up some Tito's gear. All proceeds benefit our charity partners. Cheers. 80 proof Tito's handmade vodka, distilled and bottled in Austin, Texas. Tito'sVodka.com.
Summer is just around the corner. Kids Camp Summer Camp at Sports Center of Connecticut in Shelton starts June 22nd, and they are ready for another year of fun. They've taken numerous steps to ensure the safety of their campers while still providing affordable fun. With Flex Passes, you can pick and choose what days to go. A great perk for parents with changing work schedules. Kids Camp starts at only $99 per week with half-day and full-day options. Space is extremely limited. Visit SportsCenterCT.com or call 203-929-6500 to register today. Reimagine your business reopening with modern plastics.
Wow! Man, t'es mongol! Esti, t'étais dans une voie pour tourner à gauche! Calisse, man! Fuck you, man! Esti débile! T'étais dans une voie pour tourner à gauche! Sale! T'étais dans une voie pour tourner à gauche! Va-t'en! 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 J'ai une caméra! J'ai une caméra! Caméra! Regarde! Regarde! Tabarnak! J'ai une caméra! Regarde! Regarde! X48 DAM.
Frank 330 Ardmore. I got two motorcycles northbound 120 miles an hour from the 24 direction. They're at 153 miles an hour. They're weaving in and out of traffic. Yeah, they're northbound at the 27 right now. There's going to be two of them. Ardmore, I got one stop here at the 31. Go ahead, get on the ground! Get down on the f***ing ground! I will f***ing shoot you! Get on the f***ing ground! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Behind your f***ing back! You almost got killed, buddy. Sure wish you hadn't, dummy. Shut up! I don't want to hear it. You made me do this out here in the middle of nowhere because you don't want to stop. You just got a ticket. You almost killed people out here. You just would have just got a ticket. Then you almost kill yourself. So far, so good. Thank you so much. These guys decided they wanted to run from me. Yeah, that's why we have problems with motorcycles. I appreciate you checking on me. Now you get to listen to my terrible music list. Hang tight. All you had to do is stop and you'd have got a ticket. It's not my fault. Frank 338 Ardmore.